From childhood fights to lifelong ties, Rakhi unites all of us. Raksha Bandhan, also known as Rakhi, is a deeply symbolic Indian festival that celebrates the sacred bond between siblings. Observed on the full moon day, or Purnama, in the Hindu month of Shravana, July to August, this festival blends cultural tradition, spiritual values, and astrological timing to honor love, duty and protection. What is Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan literally means the bond of protection. Additionally, it involves a sister tying a Rakhi, sacred thread, on her brother's wrist while praying for his prosperity, health and protection. In return, the brother vows to safeguard his sister throughout her life and offers her gifts. Over time, the celebration has also extended to honor emotional bonds beyond biological siblings, including cousins, friends, spiritual mentors, and soldiers. History and mythology of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan finds its roots in Vedic and mythological texts, each reinforcing the power of divine protection through a sacred bond. Draupadi and Krishna in Mahabharata. Draupadi once tore a piece of her sari to bandage Krishna's bleeding finger. Moved by her gesture, Krishna vowed to protect her, later manifesting miraculously during her disrobing at the Kaurva court. Lord Indra and Indrani, Bhavishya Purana. During a battle with demons, Indra's wife, Indrani, tied a protective thread around his wrist after chanting mantras. Indra defeated the demons, and this sacred thread came to be known as Raksha Sutra. Rani Karnavati and Emperor Humayun. In a historical account, Rani Karnavati of Mewar sent a Rakhi to Mughal Emperor Humayun when her kingdom was threatened. Humayun honored her request and marched to defend her, illustrating the protective essence of Raksha Bandhan. Astrological significance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is observed on the Shravan Purnima, a full moon day that holds astrological and religious power in Hindu tradition. Key astrological highlights: Shravana Nakshatra symbolizes nourishment and care, qualities intrinsic to the sibling bond. Full moon, Purnima, considered spiritually potent for performing sacred rituals and tying the Rakhi thread. Rakhi Muhurat, auspicious time. Astrologers recommend tying the Rakhi during Aparanna afternoon period on Purnima day. Tying the Rakhi during Bhadrakal, a prohibited time, is avoided as it's inauspicious. Tying Rakhi during the right Muhurta ensures enhanced blessings and long-lasting protection from negative planetary influences. Which deity to worship on Raksha Bandhan? While Raksha Bandhan primarily focuses on human relationships, it also involves divine worship, especially during the puja ritual. Associated deities: Lord Vishnu represents protection and sustenance. In one tale, Goddess Lakshmi tied a Rakhi to King Bali to bring Lord Vishnu back to Vaikuntha. Lord Krishna, symbol of eternal friendship and divine protector, especially honored in the Krishna Draupadi context. Moon god, Chandradev, worshipped during Purnima for mental peace and emotional clarity. Goddess Lakshmi, associated with family well-being and prosperity. Worshipping these deities during Raksha Bandhan is believed to strengthen family ties and bring spiritual protection to the siblings. How is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? Rituals and traditions. Preparation of the puja thali. A decorated thali includes Rakhi, Roli, vermilion, rice grains, sweets, diya, and sometimes a coconut. Applying tilak and aarti. The sister applies kumkum tilak on her brother's forehead and performs aarti, seeking divine blessings. Tying the Rakhi. She ties the Rakhi on her brother's wrist, chanting prayers for longevity and health. Gift exchange. The brother gives his sister a gift, often with a note or a promise of care and support. Family feast. Traditional sweets like Kaju Katli, Soan Papdi, Laddus, and regional dishes are enjoyed. Who celebrates Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan transcends regional and religious boundaries. Hindus across India, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Jains, who see the Rakhi as a symbol of peace and non-violence. Sikhs, particularly Nanpanthis, observe it under the name Rakhradi. Nepalese Hindus celebrate it as Jane Purnima, where Brahmins change their sacred thread Janeu. Indian diaspora in the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, UAE, and more uphold the tradition with equal enthusiasm. Benefits of celebrating Raksha Bandhan. Spiritual benefits: enhances karma of protection and compassion, strengthens family dharma and positive samskaras, impressions, brings peace through rituals aligned with lunar energy. Social and emotional benefits: fosters emotional security and connection between siblings, builds respect and gratitude across genders and generations. Raksha Bandhan as a cosmic and cultural bond. Raksha Bandhan is more than a festive occasion, it's a cosmic affirmation of the protective energies that bind humans and the divine. With roots in Vedic astrology, mythology, and family tradition, it continues to evolve with relevance in both rural villages and global cities. In 2025, as you tie the Rakhi or write about it, remember that you are participating in a tradition as eternal as the moon itself, a glowing reminder that protection, love, and duty are universal forces.